Join me as we dive into the world of screen printing to find out which ink is going to reign supreme, water-based or Plastisol ink. Let's put them to the test. When it comes to screen printing, choosing the right ink can make all the difference in the quality of the final product. Two of the most important options are Plastisol and water-based ink, each of them with their own unique characteristics, advantages, and disadvantages. So in this video, we're going to explore the key differences between these two inks to help you decide which one is the best for your screen printing needs. One of the biggest dilemmas screen printers and custom apparel purchasers face is deciding which ink to use. Water-based are often praised for the soft, breathable prints, while Plastisol inks are also known for their vibrant colors. But which one is the right one for you? The answer largely depends on the type of print you're trying to achieve, the fabric you're working with, and your personal preferences. Water-based inks are often favored by printers who prioritize comfort and flexibility in their prints. They're perfect for printing designs on lightweight, soft fabrics like cotton or polyester blends. On the other hand, Plastisol inks could be better suited for heavy-duty prints on thicker garments such as canvas or denim. Another key difference between the two inks lies in the application process. Water-based inks require a more delicate approach with precise temperature and pressure control to achieve the perfect print. Whereas Plastisol inks, on the other hand, are more forgiving and can be applied with, a variety of techniques and tools. When it comes to the environment, water-based inks are generally considered to be more eco-friendly of an option. They're free from harsh chemicals and toxins, making them a great choice for printers who prioritize sustainability. Now, Plastisol inks, while they're still safe to use, do contain PVC and phthalates, which can be harmful to the environment if not disposed properly. One of the most important insights to consider when choosing between water-based and Plastisol ink is the type of print that you are trying to achieve. If you want a soft and comfortable print with a natural feel, water-based inks may be the way to go. But if you're looking for a bold, vibrant print that will last for years to come, Plastisol ink might be the better choice. Now, with that said, this is generally speaking. There are water-based inks that are bold, vibrant, that will last for years, like Plastisol, along with some Plastisols that are really soft and breathable. But one key difference between Plastisol ink and water-based ink is that Plastisol ink is going to sit on top of the fabric of the t-shirt, which can leave a slight to heavy feel to the touch. Whereas water-based inks typically will soak into the fibers of the t-shirt, leaving a slight to zero feel. Now, ultimately, the choice between water-based and Plastisol ink is going to come down to your personal preferences and your printing needs. By considering the type of print that you want to achieve, the fabric that you're working with, and your environmental concerns, you can make an informed decision on which ink is going to be the best ink for you. Now, in summary, water-based inks are soft, natural feel, and are perfect for printing designs on lightweight fabrics, while Plastisol produces a durable, long-lasting print that's ideal for heavy fabrics. Thanks for watching. We'd love to hear about your experience with water-based and Plastisol inks in the comments below. So if you're new here, consider subscribing for more screen printing tips, tricks, and insights. And don't forget to check out the other videos that we've posted for information on how to take your screen printing to the next level.